WeChat history transfer to new phone. Do this first or lose your chat forever. So if you're getting a new phone, don't erase or install WeChat from your old phone yet. Simply log into the same WeChat account on your new device. Doesn't mean your old locally stored chat history will automatically appear. So keep your old phone, leave your old phone turned on and keep WeChat login. So let's get started. So connect phones to the same Wi-Fi. For example, right here, connect two phones to the same Wi-Fi. Put the old phone, new phone, the same stable network before starting the migration. So find the chat history migration. Click on me, settings, then click on, I think it's chats. Let's see, I click the one on chats. Then click on manage chat history. There you go. Import chat history from another device or export to another device. So here you can now click on this. So once you're here, you can now import from another phone or import from another device. So when we're talking about another phone, you will be able to import it to from another phone. So this is where your account or your what do you call this? This is where your phone comes in. That's why you don't log it out or delete WeChat yet. And the second thing is you see import from another device, which means you can download it or you can import it from a PC, which is good as well. But yeah, I suggest doing those. So just pressing on the import, easy as that. But yeah, there you go. Keep your old phone, guys. Don't throw it yet or anything. Don't delete anything or whatnot. There you guys. Hope you guys like the video. Enjoyed. If you have no questions or maybe concerns, you can always type it in the comment below, guys. And we'll be happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.